Hey, what's going on? ZERODAYJAY here, hope all is well. It's Sunday, January 18th, 2026, and in this video, I'm going to show you how much I spent on Apex Trader funding accounts since day one. I'm also going to show you how much I've made since day one, and then I'm going to show you the kind of trajectory I'm on and how things have been going recently. So let's just dive right in. I am in my account right now, and I am on a page called Payment History. This is actually the old legacy payment history page. You can see it on your dashboard. I'll put a link to it down in the description so you could just log into your account and then click on it. Although you'll see it on the dashboard, it's on the right hand side. I'm not going to show it because there's other sensitive information on there that I'd rather you not see. It's not that big of a deal. I'm not hiding anything. I'm about to show you how much fucking money I spent. So anyway, let's just scroll through all of this. I have to scroll all the way down because I've bought a lot of accounts. I spent a lot of money since day one. We like to refer to it as paying our tuition. I paid a lot of tuition, right? And then the idea is to get better, improve your skills, and then pay off your tuition, right? So let's see how much of my tuition with Apex I've paid off. You could literally grab everything and paste it onto a spreadsheet. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab everything. Look, I'm scrolling through everything. It's gonna take a little while, but bear with me because you're gonna wanna see how much I spent at the very least. But I think you're also gonna wanna see how much I made, right? And if any of you have been following me on my journey since day one, you probably already know where I'm at. And I appreciate every single one of you who've watched any of my videos or hung out on any of my streams. I stream every single day for Power Hour, 2 and through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern, and I stream at other random times. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my streams or any videos like this. So I've already done it, but we're going to start a new one from scratch. I did it with all the firms I trade with. The only one I can't really do it with is Take Profit Trader. It's tricky. So let's just paste this in right now. Okay, now what I want to do is make it visible. I'll leave it at 12 for this video. And then now, this is literally everything. January 17th, I had some rebills come through. Remember when Apex accounts were $16.70 when they were 90% off? Yeah, I had some of those. These $65 ones are activation fees for the promotion they're running right now. But let me just go all the way to the bottom. Let's see how many are on here. Add 1,000 more rows. I don't need to. I mean, this is everything. So let's do it again just in case like it didn't let me put all the rows in there, which I know it did, but we're gonna do this again. All right, there's everything. 12, black so we could see it. All right. So, day one, my first account right here, $54.23. I started trading with Apex before they started doing these crazy aggressive sales. October 16, 2023 was my first ever prop firm I bought for myself. Now, let's do the math. Real simple. You just grab this little symbol, you hit sum, and then it's E1 to E23.95. There it is. $108,926 I've spent total since day one. Okay? Now, let's look at the payout request page, shall we? Here's all the payouts I've gotten. A lot. Now, if you notice something, I seem to have turned the corner in my trading journey because look at all the payouts I've gotten just since November 21st. Look at all this. A ton. I got my first ever payout with any prop firm on May 2nd, 2024. It took me 7 months. I requested this payout with Apex. I got approved a few days later. So I requested my first ever payout and I got approved. Then the next one I got denied. And then this is when they changed their rules. So as you can see here, I wasn't really getting all that many payouts. I was also trading with other firms around this time, but I haven't missed a payout in any month since June of 2024. From July of 2024 until now, I've gotten a payout every single month. But anyway, let's just grab this and we'll do the math. And then we'll do some other math after that. I just wanted to show you what's going on here. So let's just grab this. Let's get the number. I can't just do the math just yet, right? I have to get rid of this pending one. I'm just going to put at a 0 because it's not approved yet. And then I got to find the handful of denied ones and put those at 0 as well. So there's 2 right there. I don't want to cheat, right? There's 2. This was when they first changed their rules to what they are now. It took me a little while to make the adjustment. I kept violating the rule. The one rule I kept violating was the 30% drawdown rule. I think I did it on 6 or 7 of these 8 denials in a row. One of them was like a windfall rule, but I'm pretty sure I violated the 30% rule too, and I requested anyway just to clear the 30% rule violation. But anyway, got them all zeroed out. Let's do the math now on this. So let's hit this little symbol, sum K1 to K93. Oh, look at that. Let's do some math. 109,772 is how much I've gotten in payouts total, right? We'll do it this way. 109,772 minus 108,926.70. So I could proudly say that I've paid off all of my Apex tuition. I'm actually green with them right now by $845.30. And it was a little bit more than 900 the last time I did the math, but I had these come through. These were all rebills at 90% off that I never cancel until I pass them because these are super cheap. And I actually passed one, and then these just came through. I have to trade these. I didn't even trade these yet. And I got a pending payout that I'm waiting on. I don't know if I'm going to get approved on it, but not to mention, as we speak right now, let me show you where I'm at with my accounts. So here's all the funded accounts I have right now. I have 16. This one's only on day 1. These right here, 551 to 553, are up $1,300 plus, and they're halfway through. And then 543, well, really 539 to 543, they just got approved the other day, and I've got a couple days in so far since I got my payout. And then this one, 538, is still on day 8. I haven't touched it yet because I'm still waiting to get approved or denied. I have a feeling I'm not going to get approved because of something weird that happened with TradeAways copier. But whatever, I'll cross that bridge when I get there. In the meantime, I'll just trade all the other accounts I have. And then these 6 right here already got 2 payouts. And I need 3 more days of $50 or more and 2 more flip days. And I will be able to request a third one if I could get the job done. I only need $502 more just based on the 30% consistency rule. But we're looking really good. I could increase the amount of profit I am seeing with Apex. But I am profitable overall with everything. All I needed to do was get over the hump with Apex. But look, let's do some quick math on how things have been going recently. This is how you put things into perspective. Yeah, I spent a fuck ton of money on accounts. I've also made more than I spent. What you want to focus on is not so much where you've been, but where you're going. So, for example, let's grab all the payouts from the last 2 months. From December, I got payouts on December 8th, right? Let's see how much I spent on accounts and how many payouts I got during the same amount of time. So we're going to paste this in here. I'm going to slide this over, go down to the bottom. So we're talking about December and halfway through January. And just so you know, from December 1st to January 15th, I've gotten over $60,000 in payouts from multiple prop firms, not just Apex. I trade with other firms as well, but we're just talking about Apex right now. So let's do the math here. Sum 1, S1, and what are we up to? 30, yeah, 36, S36. So from December 1st to right now, the last payout I got approved on was I got approved on January 15th, the next day. I'm at $37,000 in payouts, right? This is what I'm talking about. It doesn't really matter where I've been. It's where I'm headed and where I'm at right now. Let me just delete these just to clear some of this out. We don't need all of this stuff. We don't need the days. Obviously, we need to keep approved. Doesn't matter if they're active or not, right? Who cares? This is the only time I'm getting rid of account numbers, right? Let's just worry about this. I'm just trying to get more room on the spreadsheet. This shit doesn't even matter here. That's like what payout the accounts are at. That doesn't matter either. Now, let's go to this account expenses, how much I paid on accounts, right? Let's scroll down. Getting all of January. We're going to get all of December. You're going to notice something. And then we'll end the video. There we go. All right. Let's do it. What are we up to? So we got sum U1 and U1 190. What the fuck? U1? Oh, yeah, okay, I did it. So look at this. From December 1st to right now, to today, I spent $6,153 on accounts. But look how much I got in payouts from the same time, 37,312. So let's do the math there. Just in Apex, let's go back to the bottom here, 6153.60. $31,158 in profit. So obviously things are a little different now. I figured some things out. I'm more consistent. I'm holding on to accounts for more than one payout some of the time, but more often than I used to. So just remember, sure, I spent a fuck ton of money since day one, but we're all on a journey and everybody's on a different path. So if there's anything this video will do for you, I hope it inspires you more than anything and puts things into perspective and shows you what's possible if you just keep trying and you don't give up on yourself. You cannot have success without failure. And I did a lot of failing, but now I could proudly say that I'm a profitable prop firm trader across everything I do. Also, with that said, I challenge you to ask your favorite YouTuber and streamer what account they're up to with their Apex Trader funding, trading, and how much they spent on accounts and how much they've gotten in payouts. Let's see if they actually go through this exercise as well. Anyway, I don't know when you're going to see this because right now it's January, but you might see this in June. But just know that Apex is always running sales. And as of right now, they're running 80% off any size account with $65 or $125 lifetime activation fee and $35 resets, depending on the size account you get and all that stuff. These are the pricing. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY if you want to grab some more accounts and you want to support the channel. It is the best code with the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop firm Streets. I have no actual data to confirm that other than the DGen data in the Discord that we all hang out in and on my streams. But I can tell you one thing, no matter when you're seeing this, they're probably running some sort of cool promotion. So use my code if you want to take advantage of it and you want to support the channel. Anyway, with that said, smash the like button for Trevor Laconte, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my streams or any of my update videos like this one. We did it, Joe. We are profitable with Apex, finally. It took 2 years and 4 months, but who cares? Who's counting? It doesn't matter now, right? Anyway, I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.